Everybody, and welcome back to MDTV. Actually outside for a change. Dom's just been out, picked up this scooter, brought it in for service. He's going to have a little ride round the car park on it, having just collected. The reason he's driving around the car park is to see and listen to what the scooter's actually doing. Does it drive straight? Does the steering work left? Does the steering work right? Is the steering too stiff? Does the acceleration on the actual trigger system, we call it a wig-wag system, is it setting off too fast? Is it setting off too slow to where it's set on the speed dial? Do the lights work? Do the indicators work? All that sort of thing. So off you go, Dom. Excuse the wagon. So all he's doing, as I say, is just listening to see if there's any weird noises. Does it accelerate all right? Does it turn all right? Does it seem all right? And with the experience that Dominic has as an engineer, he would know straight away if something wasn't okay with it. So we'll cut now, we'll go inside and continue on the ramp. Okay, we're back. We're back into the workshop now, and we've got the green scooter that you saw coming out of the van on this thing. Dominic's just taken his front wheel off. I have heard that a lot of people don't bother taking the wheels off when they're servicing a scooter, and I really genuinely don't know why. Two reasons we take them off is, one, that it gives you access to the inside, especially more important on the back when you're going to be taking motor brushes and things like that out. But the main reason that we've always taken wheels off mobility scooters is because after a year, 18 months, 2 years, if you don't do it on an annual service, these shafts can start to corrode a little bit. They start to oxygenate and various other sort of things. You can't get the wheel off. So if you get a flat tyre 2-3 years in, you can't get the wheel off. So you damage the scooter trying to get the wheel off. At best you damage the wheel. If you're really lucky, you get the wheel off and you get your puncture fixed, but they genuinely need fixing. They genuinely need to be lubricated and sorted out every year. You must service your scooter every year. It tests your batteries. We can get into the back, we can get the motor brushes out, we can get in we have a air hose here, we blow all the carbon out of the back of the thing, and then everything is lubricated. Now what happens then is that when it's actually off the ramp, we would actually tip it on its side or stand it on its end so that you can check all the cables all the way from the front right the way to the back. We actually also undo the head just to make sure that all the wires are exactly where they should be, that they're correct, plugged in properly, and you actually can get inside them and actually make sure that there's no water getting in, there's no residue or anything in there. So that's the importance of doing that sort of thing. The next thing that we need to do is we need to test the batteries. Now, as the camera goes round, you'll see that we have a testing station here, and we get people coming in and they say, we've had our batteries tested, and what happens is they take them to a local garage and they actually do what they call a drop test, which basically means that they will actually put onto the positive and onto the negative a little dial, and all that will tell you that it's got, if it's a 12 volt batteries, which these are, because you've got two 12 volts to make a 24 volt system, all it'll tell you is you're getting 12 volts. What it won't tell you is it won't tell you how much fuel's left in the petrol tank. So it can give you 12 volts, but there's only 10% of the battery life left. So these machines, and none of this is cheap, it's all very expensive equipment, and it takes 2 or 3 hours at least to do them. And this is the most modern one that you can get. It actually works on Bluetooth and all sorts of things. It's really clever. It will tell us how much percentage is left for that battery for the rest of its life. That all is part of a service. The other thing is, because we've got the most up-to-date modern testers, we are one of the few people that can actually test lithium batteries and do lithium batteries safely. If there's a dealer out there watching this and you want us to put you in touch with the person who does these so that you can actually do your lithium batteries, he will be delighted to come and see you, and he'll show you how to use it. So that was all it is today, just to say, if you're going to get a service done, get it done by your local dealer and get it done by somebody who's going to do a real good proper job for you. And please do it every year. 2 things here: A, it makes your scooter more reliable. B, if you want to part exchange it, it makes it more valuable. I hope that's been of help to you. Thanks for your time as usual, and we'll see you on the next video.